Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Carbridge onto your phone. So if you're like, what is Carbridge? It's an app that allows you to go ahead and put any app you want onto your car screen. So as you can see guys, this is how it works. And I want to mention that you need a car screen to do this. So if your car doesn't have a screen like this, you are screwed. So buy a car with a screen, okay? I'm not going to be demonstrating it in this video simply because I don't want to turn the car on, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So as you can see, this is the Carbridge right here. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So the first step, guys, is to go to your browser and go to this website, which is called ZooMods, okay? And what this is it's like a modded website with all these cool apps. So now we're going to type in Carbridge, and it should come right up. So as you can see down at the bottom, it says Carbridge. So we're just going to press on that and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, because I was pissed because I couldn't play Minecraft on the car screen or whatever. And now I have Carbridge installed, so it actually works, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super cool, and I'm not someone that wants to be Apple CarPlay is so limiting, bro, but now I have Carbridge, so be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's super cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but definitely go ahead and try it out. It's so awesome. So yeah, you just got to go to ZooMods, and then once you're here, guys, just type in Carbridge, and you can see it comes right up. So be sure to try this out for yourself, guys. It's super cool, and it's not in the App Store. You can go ahead and look. And also, the people out there that tell you need a jailbreaker device are lying. You don't, with my method at least. So I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. But yes, it's super cool, guys. Fully works, and that's how you download Carbridge onto your device. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, and peace out.